Describe a person who is good at making people feel welcome in his/her home. You should say who this person is, how you knew him/her, how he/she makes you feel welcome, and explain how you feel about this person.
Sample answer 1. I know some people who are adept at making guests feel welcome in their homes. However, today I am going to talk about my uncle. His name is Smit, and he is a retired army officer who is now free to spend his days at home. With his remarkable personality, he always welcomes people with an open heart. I always admire him for his hospitality. Whenever someone visits his home, he is overjoyed. Furthermore, he goes out of his way to make visitors feel special with his warm and welcoming nature. He takes care of everything, providing refreshments and attending to the needs of guests tirelessly and gracefully. In addition to his excellent verbal communication skills, he conducts himself with remarkable politeness and respect. He is also a keen listener, eagerly sharing his own life experiences while attentively listening to others. Frankly, I never feel bored whenever I visit his home. His hospitality is truly exceptional, and I always have a wonderful experience. Moreover, we share many enjoyable moments together, forming a strong bond. He always prepares my favorite food items and almond milk when I visit. Stepping into his house feels like stepping into my own home due to the welcoming atmosphere he creates. Lastly, his caring nature leaves a lasting impression on visitors, making every visit a pleasure. So, he is someone who excels at making people feel welcome, and I hold him in high regard.
Sample answer 2. As someone who thrives on social interactions, I find great joy in connecting with individuals from diverse backgrounds. While I've encountered many gracious hosts over the years, ranging from teachers to friends, there's one individual who stands out for his exceptional hospitality, my dear friend and neighbor, Smit. I first met Smit during our childhood when his family relocated next door due to his father's job transfer. Coincidentally, we found ourselves in the same classroom the very next day, and since then, we've forged a strong bond as inseparable companions. Smit possesses a unique knack for making guests feel warmly welcomed in his home. Upon my arrival, he greets me with a radiant smile, immediately putting me at ease. Ensuring my comfort is his priority, he offers refreshments and snacks, ensuring that I feel pampered from the moment I step through his door. What sets Smit apart is his genuine and inclusive approach to hospitality. He effortlessly makes me feel like an integral part of his family, engaging me in heartfelt conversations and attentively listening without interruption. Furthermore, he delights in sharing moments of joy through playful games, creating a lively and welcoming atmosphere. I consider myself truly fortunate to have Smit's unwavering support and understanding throughout life's ups and downs. In essence, he epitomizes the art of hospitality, making every guest feel cherished and valued.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.